So, today I have a very easy idea for your sketchbook fruits. And here are the supplies we are using: a pencil, an ink pen, an eraser, watercolor pencils, a pencil sharpener, a water brush, and a white pen for some details. Let's get started. I chose fruits as the subject of this video because they are so forgiving. Here you see me going over the pencil line of this lemon and the leaves. This is a very simple and easy drawing. You don't need to make it look realistic. Just try your best to create the shapes of the lemon. Later in this video, I will show you step by step how to draw some of these fruits in this image. Now, our next fruit is the blueberry. This is also a very easy fruit to draw. Basically, you just need to draw a few circles and have them overlapping each other. Then draw the stem, connecting them, and a few small leaves around the blueberries and some shading on the side of the fruit. The next fruit is a kiwi. Just draw a large circle and inside a very small circle. Now here we're already coloring. I am using watercolor pencils, but you can use any coloring medium you want. You can use colored pencils, markers, or you can just leave the drawing as simple line art and leave it black and white. It's up to you. So the way I use watercolor pencils is by coloring the whole image using a variety of colors to make it very interesting. So here in this lemon, I'm using a very light yellow and then a darker yellow. I'm also using various tones of greens for the leaves. Once you are done coloring with the pencils, it is time to add the water. As you can see, I am using a water brush. This is a plastic tube that you can fill up with water, and as you start using, the water will gradually be added into the tip of the brush. This is a great way to start with watercolors, especially in small areas. While I will let this dry, I will start with the blueberries. Same concept. Color the fruit with various tones of blue, then the leaves with various tones of green and brown for the stem. Then add the water to activate the pigments of the watercolor pencil. These water brushes come in 4 different sizes. So for this smaller fruit, I am using the smallest size brush. Now, as promised, I told you I would show you how to draw some of these fruits. So here you see me drawing a strawberry. The shape that makes a strawberry is very similar to the shape of a heart. Just add a few tiny leaves, a tiny stick on the top of it, and a few dots, and you're done. Now, for the strawberry leaf, I looked it up online because I could not remember exactly what it looked like. The strawberry leaves are very cute, and to draw them, I basically just make a circle and then I add some details that are unique to that type of leaf. Now, my next fruit is the blackberry. I think this fruit is also so cute. But since I could not draw from memory, I had to look it up online. I am not really trying to make this drawing realistic, but reference helps me to have a better idea of the shape of the fruit as well as their leaves. Now, my next fruit is the raspberry. I was not very happy with my raspberry. But again, this is a sketchbook. It's just a place to practice, explore, and experiment and have fun. So even though I'm not very happy with this raspberry, I am going to leave just like this and move on to the next one. Now, the next fruit I'm going to draw is the cranberry. This is a very cute fruit, in my opinion. The shape is somewhat similar to the blueberries, but bigger, and the leaf is very different. If you would like me to show you in detail how to draw several different types of leaves, please let me know in the comments and I can make a video just for that. So we are going to color once again. I will speed up this video and leave you with some music for now. I'll be back in a little bit. After I was done coloring, I also added another kiwi and some cherries to this drawing. And now you already see me here decorating the background with some dots just to cover some of that negative space. I also added a few more details on the blackberries and the strawberries. So now this drawing is almost done. I hope this video was helpful to you and I hope this is a useful idea for your sketchbook. For more easy drawing ideas, please subscribe to my channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and leave me a comment below. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.